Kitchen Essentials cookware set includes 8-inch frying pan, 9.5-inch frying pan, 11-inch frying pan, 2.5-quart saucepan with lid, 6-quart stockpot with lid, 4-quart deep cooker Saute pan with lid, and 3 bamboo kitchen utensil set. Healthier nonstick cooking. This pots and pan set features a durable, titanium-reinforced, ceramic non-stick coating that allows food to easily slide out of the pan without adding extra oils. Manufactured without PFOA and PFTE. Quality and comfort. Aluminum pots and pans optimize heat distribution for fast and even cooking. These pans also feature stainless steel induction bottoms. The comfortable grip handles makes them easy to maneuver. The riveted construction on the stainless steel handles provides durability. Watch your food as it cooks. The transparent, tempered glass lids allow you to monitor your food as it cooks without having to remove the lid. Vents release excess steam and pressure, helping prevent accidental spillovers while still locking in all the moisture and flavors in your food. Dishwasher safe makes cleanup effortless. So long elbow grease, wrinkled fingers, and rigorous scrubbing due to tough, stuck-on food, this set is dishwasher safe. We do suggest hand-washing the bamboo utensils. Top reviews from the United States. It's a nice-looking and more importantly useful ceramic nonstick pot. We have been looking around and trying different, healthy, ceramic nonstick pots and pans. I like all the ones we have bought so far. I hadn't heard of this brand before but checked the reviews and the price was right, so we decided to try it. I got the 3-quart saucepan and we love it. It's perfectly nonstick, looks great, and doesn't have the bad nonstick chemicals that many pans do. When using these types of pans, you need to do a little research. Do not use metal utensils no matter what some of these pans may say in their advertising. Preheat the pan, don't cook on high, stick with low and medium heats. Do not submerge the pan or rinse with cold water directly after finishing cooking. Remove the pan from the burner and wait for it to cool and don't leave food sitting in the pan. After the pan cools, wash it. We're very happy with this pan, and we are buying another one and the 4-quart Saute pan.